Yeah.
So I would like to invite Parshya Bora, founder of Curiosify. Is Parshya is here?
Yep. I'm very sorry for that. Like I was just changing my entire settings and stuff. Uh,
Please start.
right, visible?
Yeah.
Yep. Hi everyone. Let me share my screen and show it to you the product that me and my team have been building over the last 4 months. It's been a quite journey for us understanding like how a startup actually scales and from initially. So yeah. So the product that we are building is called Curiosify. So as the tagline says that you can explore STEM in 60 seconds, right? So I encountered this problem while I was working for another tech startup in 2018 in Bangalore itself. So I was a part of a product designing team where I had to handle the front-end part of their entire website, right? And there was a user research data that I collected from their entire thing that their course completion rate or the MEU, monthly occurring user rate, was declining, right? The company folks currently, what they did was they tried to held a quick summary or did a research analysis on the entire report that was happening. So what they found was that most of the students can't learn or read a lesson that for a video that is longer than 2 minutes, right? We did a quick analysis on the entire report. What we found are that the state of problem, right? 380 million students in India, particularly STEM in India, prefer bite-sized mobile content, but the content is not in particular order, okay? As per the McKinsey report of 2019, 77% of Indian undergrads lose focus and cannot recall content from overly lengthy videos longer than 2 minutes. That's what I faced as a student back in my IIT days, right? As per the Kalari Capital source, 37% course completion rate for classes with video longer than 2 minutes, right? And only 10% of Indian consume content in English, 90% consumes in vernacular language. That's what our product says about. Like, once you move from the tier 1 cities, you don't speak language, you speak Bolia, ya Bhasha, right? So that's where our product comes in. It's called Curiosify. So it reaches tier 1, tier 2 cities with the smartphone, right? So anybody from a phone, open the app, you select categories that you want to learn. There are at least 500 to 1,000 categories that we have. From deep tech, ML, machine learning, coding to anything that you want to learn. We showcase content depending upon the personalized speed. He or she can select easy, medium and advanced level. Based on that, we'll be showcasing the content, and this content are generally backed by a particular quiz. So if you watch a 5-6 videos, you'll be curated a quiz that is being created with the help of our AI that we have been developed called Curio AI, with a backend that we have used called Anthropic model called Claude AI. Okay, this content are not only particularly English, but we are supporting 8 regional languages by our creators, that is Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Assamese, Boro, Konkani, to develop localized content. This is what our market looks like. Our total TAM is $5.48 billion and 456 billion INR. And our serviceable address market is basically 1.64 billion, that is 136.8 billion INR. Okay? So, one second, sorry, I can't move my slide. Yeah. So this is how the product looks like, right? Let me just give you a brief demo of how our product looks like. I guess its laptop is hanging, I don't know why. I hope you can see my screen, right? Yep. So you open the app, you just go to the content screen, and you'll be seeing, depending upon the levels, whatever content you're putting on. Okay? Our nav bar consists of home resources, playlist, notification, profile. So the resources part are basically all the video lectures, video tutorials, or the materials that the creator posted will be showcased in that. If you go to a search, you can search for any creator. Let's just say this is our creator community. So this is what our product looks like. So after that, let's just give you a brief showcase of what are the competitors and why we are better than them. Like ultra short form mobile content optimized for 60 seconds lessons, right? The best part is that we algorithmically short videos so that it does not hamper the user interest. So you'll be watching 3 videos of Python each depending upon your levels, and they are consumable with in a more gamified manner with the quiz, right? We have our own AI model where the if a user types a particular prompt, they can generate a quiz depending upon whatever they want to learn. Like if you type a prompt on Python, prepare me a quiz of the video that I have watched on Python with it will create an entire 10 set of MCQs regarding that, right? So our revenue model, we have a two set of revenue model. One is B2B and B2C. Subscription plans for user is free right now because to target more user base. And for creators, we are charging a flexible plan that is weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Okay. So ad revenue. So we will be limiting the user to 2 to 3 ads in 10 scrolls, not 88 users. But in order to remove the ads, the users has to pay a certain amount of revenue to us. Reward points. How the creator will earn from us. Creator earn 20 reward points when they post an explanatory video, which are called edu coins that we are being calling. They earn 1 reward point whenever a user thanks them for their video. Popular creators with 1,000 subscribers, which is the norm to earn money from us, they can earn from all video uploads that they are doing in the platform, which include playlists and all master classes that they are doing. How the reward point monetization game is gonna work. Curiosify sets fixed value for points based on revenue potential. Currently, each point is valued at 0.1 rupees. So creator earning. So if I am a creator, I post one video each day, suppose in 30 days, so I'll be earning 60 rupees. So this is our B2C model and this is our B2B model. So how will we earn? So curated plan, in order to access Curiosify, institutional brands need to pay a bulk subscription. So let's just take an example, 10 tier 1 institute paying 5 lakh per institute, so it's 50 lakhs. If the student's example is rated at 5,000 in a particular institute, we are charging 5 lakhs rupees per institute. And if a student number is less than 5,000, we are charging 2.5 lakh. And we are giving them plans like sponsors, video content, targeted in app banners, campus media placement, retargeting ads on social media, also they are able to build interest. And creator revenue share with institute. So this is one of the biggest catch of Curiosify. It is since an institute might have 3 teachers A, B, and C, and an institute buy a particular subscription for us from us, so that each of the creators from that institute can teach in our platform, right? So what gonna be the profit of the institute? So 30% of the revenue what the creator earns from the Curiosify will be go to the institute itself. So the both parties are mutually being profitable as well. So if an institute gets 30% share, like 60 rupees by a creator, so they will earn 18 rupees by a particular institute. So why the institute will be a part of us? So one of the most important thing that while I was having a conversation with Prasad Raje, he was the ex-product officer. So one of the we had a...
Sorry to interrupt, Prashya. Please wrap it up fast, please.
So this is how the things looks like. So why the institute will be part of us? Boost exam performance, analytics. They will get a real-time analysis of both the students. The teachers can upload their quiz, assignments and stuff. Simplify content creation. Handpick quality educational videos created by teachers and upload to one centralized platform instead of using multiple LMS tool to do it. Because universities have separate LMS tool, it will be a single LMS tool for in our Curiosify app itself. Elevate brand value and AI to enhance learning. So even if you're at night, you don't want to upload an assignment, you just type a prompt in our AI and we will generate a quiz for you and you will get the real-time data for it. So this is what our traction looks like. We are ranked 30 on the product hunt for new launch. Beta application is live. We are testing with 6,000 users right now. We have onboarded 300 plus creators. 4,000 STEM content is already there. 8 colleges partnered with, and we are testing with 3 college institutions right now for our B2B segment. And this is our entire plan looks like. What we are doing. Gamification. We are targeting 15k users by next 1 month. Improve the AI model, expanding, and by Q4 to 2024, we are going to achieve 1 lakh users as well. This is my team. I am graduated from IIT Guwahati as a senior UX designer of Lara. I am worked and 4 years, and this is my advisor. He sold his previous startup, Eventify, that got acquired by my show. They are my co-founders, Vedanta and Malay. That's all from my end.
Thank you, Parshya. So any questions from the investors?
Yeah, I'll start. I like that you were the first startup to actually show us a demo and explain about yourself and your personal struggle, and also to present your team members, something that was missing in the rest of the pitches so far. So thank you for that. I come from a family of scientists and engineers. I'm unfortunately I'm not. I'm more of a business person. And I do realize that exploring STEM in 60 seconds, I love the slogan, but it is impossible to become a STEM professional through, videos. It takes years of studying and PhD and postdoc, and I know it because of my siblings and brothers-in-law. So, how do you tackle that? Maybe you're trying to sell something that is a bit impossible. So just, a feedback, a very soft feedback. But it is important to tell you that in this stage. But my question is, what differentiates your products and videos from just logging into, there's a lot of freebies online today in YouTube or actual online programs. I think that even some of the universities that I work with in India, I'm spending a lot of time in India, they give it out for free. So how do you tackle that? What's the competition, and what is unique about you guys? Like, I want a very clear answer without buzzwords. What makes you unique, and how do you intend to grow in this very competitive market, not just Indian markets, but also worldwide?
So I'll first of all answer the question regarding one thing. Nobody's gonna learn in 60 seconds. That's an important thing, right? In STEM, right? Particularly science, tech, engineering, maths. It's impossible. What we are doing is basically we're allowing a particular student to explore whatever their interests are. Like what we faced was in the problem when I was 18, 19. Like we don't know what we want to do. We just got selected into IIT, and after this I was like, I've come from an engineering background. I did my mechanical engineering, and I was like, no, this is not my thing. Maybe something else, right? So what if there are certain career changes in life, but you don't know what to do? You just want to explore. You don't want to take the entire thing that you want to take time, right? So the average person attention span nowadays is 8 seconds, right? Compared to what we have in minutes, right? So everybody is addicted to the part of scrolling, right? If you go to France, there is another app which is similar to us. What they are doing is called Revise. If you know, they are the same thing. In 2020, TikTok produces one hashtag called TikTok for learning. It got boomed up. But what they couldn't do was segregation, right? In YouTube, if I have to tell you, like, YouTube is the biggest educational market in the world, right? Nobody's better than it, not even Coursera, not even Byju's, which is basically
TikTok is banned in India.
Yeah, I know that. TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just giving an example. But the thing is that what we are doing is segregation of content in a more diversified manner and more personalizing way, right? So if you are from any level, like from beginner, you can take a beginner lesson and try out where you stand out. Suppose if you learn how to use ChatGPT in 60 seconds, how to write a prompt, it's basically kind of a flashcard kind of an app, right? So if you are having something important, if you know something important, you come to a platform, you test the knowledge where you stand, you just select a topic, you come to take the quiz, and you understand where the pain points of any your advantages are, right? And also the one more important thing about our thing is that, like, we are not selling ourselves to selling courses. Like, we are not using that term. It's a content driven platform. The more amount of content we have, the more amount of users we do. We have already partnered with Udemy creators like Angela Yu, right? If you know, she has like 3 million followers in Udemy as well. We had a talk with one of the biggest name in the Udemy, from Udemy itself, Prasad Raje. So if you have like in Patchery is a big firm run by from Dartmouth. So they wanted to buy this tool, but we didn't. That they wanted to buy this entire. That we have not copied any template and stuff. So what they found was that we are doing something unique. That uniqueness is that our model is trained in such a way that it identifies your pain point and data and give back to the teacher and the creator that the content is putting up. Suppose I am from a college, I put up a content. Now what is happening? Nobody knows what the students are doing. There is no data. We are just calculating in a theoretical manner. We are giving just mark, right? If you come to a platform, a creator, a teacher uploads a particular quiz assignments, we will be giving them real-time analysis of where the student is lacking by graph by wise. So next time, and it saves time as well, right? A teacher can be in two places in one. What the problem in the Indian education system is like more theoretical questions are being solved rather than practical questions, right? 2 weeks of classes are being overdone to understand a particular concept. What Curiosify can do, if I am a teacher, you come to a platform, let's just say, to the students and say like, why don't you see the my content is already put up there, you can take the quiz and after that we will start practicing questions and stuff. It saves time, and time is the most valuable thing, I guess, for the entire Indian education market right now. That's all.
Thank you. And can I be very honest? I love the passion in your answer. I would think about. I know it's recorded.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Go back and listen to how you answered me now. I would highly recommend it to incorporate that in your pitch because it was very passionate and informed. And I loved your answer better than the actual pitch. So use that. And thank you.
Thank you. Yep.
Any other question?
Yes.
Can you move ahead? I think